In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a URL redirect inside of Shopify. This video is going to be especially helpful for people who have deleted a page before and that page seems to be getting traffic now. So you can basically redirect the traffic into your homepage. How can we do this? First of all, we have to head over into the Shopify backend. From there, we will go to content. Then we will click on menus. And on the top right hand side, you will be able to see URL redirects. Just click on it. Create URL redirect. Then you have to copy the URL at whatever page you are getting the 404 error on. You're going to come back and you're going to paste it here. Then you're going to be adding the link to the page to which you want your users to be redirected to. So in this case, I want them to be redirected to my home page. So I'm going to be copying this and I'm going to be adding it here. Click on Save Redirect. Now when I visit this URL, you will be able to see that it has redirected to my home page. So that was a quick tutorial on how to add a URL redirection inside of Shopify. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.